Hello guys, so while cleaning my cupboard, I got this hairband and I was thinking I've never worn it much because it's just plain. So I thought, why don't I make something out of it? I mean, why don't I revamp it to make it a better one, to make it look cool. So yes, I am using this wire and also the pearl beads that you can see. So let me start with it. I'm going to there are alternate holes for left right like that zigzag. So I'm going to insert the thread, I mean the wire from left one, and then after putting the bead I'm going to put it from the right one, pull it out. So I'm going to do the same, so let's do that. A small change in plan. Since it was looking too congested, I started leaving some space in between the pearl beads, like three after three holes I'm using the next pearl bead. So yes, the process is same. From the left side I'm going to insert it up ways, and after inserting the pearl bead, then from the right side pull it down. So I'm going to do that same thing the whole hairband, and yes, the same gap, three holes. After three holes I'm going to insert the next one. So let's continue. So we are almost at the end, the last two beads remaining, and then I'm going to cut out the extra wire. Just leave little extra so you can assure that you stick it properly and the beads doesn't come out. So here you go, I've stuck the ending wire from both the sides. I used a lighter for melting it, and once it melts and becomes flat, I used the B7000 glue to stick it. So that's how I made it. Hello guys, so this is how it looks. Ignore my hair, I just had a head bath yesterday night. So anyway, let me know how this looks. I think it's pretty cool, at least rather than wearing a plain hairband that doesn't even highlight. This is much better. So let me know your opinions. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.